In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a book tracker in Notion using a free template. This is a fantastic way to keep track of all the books you've read, plan your future reads, and share your thoughts with others, all within a single organized space. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Notion. If you're familiar with Notion as your workspace for wikis, documents, and various projects, you're already a step ahead. However, if you're new, don't worry, it's easy to get started. Simply navigate to the Notion website. If you're not already signed in, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your Notion home. Now that you're logged in and at the Notion home, what you want to do is access the Marketplace. The Marketplace is a hub for various templates that can simplify your Notion experience and boost your productivity. Click on the Marketplace option to proceed. Once you're inside the Marketplace, you'll find countless resources and templates, but for today, we're specifically interested in setting up a book tracker. In the search bar within the Marketplace, type Book Tracker. This will bring up a selection of book tracker templates that you can integrate into your workspace. Browse through the options that appear. Notion's flexibility means there are numerous designs and formats to suit different needs. You might find some with more detailed tracking capabilities, while others might focus on simplicity. After you've explored the options, select a template that resonates with you. Clicking on it should give you a preview of the template so you can ensure it meets your requirements. You will see the kind of information it tracks, such as book titles, authors, genres, or your personal ratings. Some templates even allow you to log your reflections and insights as you read through your book list. Once you've found the ideal template, select it to add it to your Notion workspace. Adding this to your space should be straightforward, but if you encounter any prompts asking for permissions or settings, just follow the on-screen instructions. With the template now part of your workspace, you can start personalizing your tracker. Feel free to adjust the format, labels, or any fields to better reflect your personal reading goals and style. And there you have it, a fully functional book tracker in Notion, ready to help you organize and enhance your reading life. Whether you're a casual reader or a voracious bookworm, this tracker will keep you on top of your reading journey. Thank you for watching, and happy reading!